हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जीके एडुजोन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम लेकर आए हैं 15 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू जनरल साइंस। तो चलिए देखते हैं। हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंडियन स्पेस प्रोग्राम? विक्रम साराभाई। India's first satellite Aryabhatta was launched from? Kapustin year. ISRO headquarters is located in? Bangalore. Who is known as the father of evolution? Charles Darwin. Who is known as the father of electricity? Benjamin Franklin. Which gas is also known as laughing gas? Nitrous oxide. How many chromosomes are there in human body? 46 chromosomes. In which layer of atmosphere we live? In troposphere. In which layer of atmosphere ozone layer is found? In stratosphere. In which layer of atmosphere aeroplane fly? In stratosphere. In which layer of atmosphere clouds are formed? In troposphere. Ozone hole is due to release of? Chlorofluorocarbons. Which gas protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun? Ozone gas. Who discovered oxygen gas? Joseph Priestley. Blood group was discovered by? Carl Landsteiner. Who discovered polio vaccine? Jonas Salk. Who is regarded as the father of medicine? Hippocrates. Who is known as the father of computer? Charles Babbage. National Science Day in India is celebrated on? 28 February. Name the device which directly converts solar energy into electrical energy. Photovoltaic cell. What are the three primary colors? Red, blue and yellow. Which gas helps in burning? Oxygen gas. Which gas helps in extinguishing fire? Carbon dioxide gas. Which gas is mainly found in gobar gas? Methane gas. Which gas is found most in the atmosphere? Nitrogen gas. Which acid is found in milk? Lactic acid. Which acid is found in lemon? Citric acid. Which acid is found in human stomach? Hydrochloric acid. The gas predominantly responsible for global warming is carbon dioxide. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. The vitamin available from sun rays is vitamin D. Night blindness is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Rickets is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B. Which bacteria is responsible for converting milk into curd? Lactobacillus. Name the protein present in hair. Keratin. Which blood group is called universal donor? O negative blood group. The gas responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy is methyl isocyanate. The gas responsible for acid rain is sulfur dioxide. Which gland is called master gland? Pituitary gland. What is the unit of power? Watt. What is the unit of frequency? Hertz. What is the unit of pressure? Pascal. Which mosquito spreads malaria? Female Anopheles mosquito. Which is called the powerhouse of cell? Mitochondria. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Sphygmomanometer. Which device is used for measuring wind speed and direction? Anemometer. What kind of virus causes COVID-19 disease? SARS-CoV-2. What is the full form of PPE kit? Personal Protection Equipment Kit. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।